Hi, I'm Rob, and I'm excited to show you one of our new knives today. This is the Jake by Ken Onion. This knife has just over 3¼ inch blade that's bead blasted Sandvik 12 C27 steel. Very deep belly, as you can see, synonymous with the Ken Onion design. Moving back here, we've got the IKBS bearings. It's a very, very smooth open and close on this knife. So as you can see, just like butter. Very, very smooth. The handle is extremely light as it's an anodized aluminum handle with G10 inlays. Pocket clip is right hand carry, tip up, and then moving to the back of the knife, you've got the lanyard hole, or as Ken Onion likes to refer to it, the back strap. So I want to talk a little bit about that blade again, and specifically about that bead blasted brushed finish. So this is something that the Onions have been experimenting with on some of their custom designs in their shop, and we're excited to have it added to some of the knives that we're actually going to be bringing through CRKT now. But it's a very unique design. If you can look at it closely, it has a very kind of wave brush to it, so it doesn't have that shiny polished look. It's almost a matte, but then brushed, like it says. A very unique, really interesting texture that it adds to the knife blade. So one thing that really stood out to me right away about this particular knife is when I first picked it up, is just how light it was, having that aluminum handle, but it really is such a sturdy knife, and that's what surprised me. Just being that lightweight, but also knowing, hey, this can tackle and handle anything you throw at it. It's gonna just live up to the challenge. The other thing I really like is that the blade itself isn't so heavy that you feel like it's gonna fly out of your hand. It's a very balanced knife, very lightweight. It's gonna be out of the way. You're not gonna feel it sitting on your hip. The other thing I like is how grippy it is. So you've got those inlays, which are the G10. They have kind of a diamond texture to it, and you drew that diamond texture into the aluminum as well. So especially when you're opening or closing the blade, you've got a spot to purchase here when you're pulling back on that flipper, as well as holding the knife itself gives you some purchase points where you're not gonna slip on that aluminum handle. Thanks for checking out the Jake by Ken Onion.